Hello and welcome to part 2. Today we're going to be putting this cute birthday envelope together. If you missed my last video, I handmade and hand cut some notepads to put together as a physical birthday gift. I wanted to do something extra special for my friend's mom's birthday this year, so I challenged myself to make an entire handmade gift set from scratch. This is part 2 of 3 and today we're putting the envelope together. The theme is Animal Crossing, color white and yellow, and she likes sunflowers and daisies. So I went to Pinterest to find some cute inspiration pictures, Animal Crossing fan art designs, anything yellow and white under journaling or collages. I don't know what happened to the recording unless I forgot to screen record when I was looking for stickers to use. I could have made my own envelope as well, but I decided to save time and use an envelope I already have, since I just found out her birthday was in 2 days when making this. These were all the pictures I copied and pasted onto Canva to use because I do not have any stickers of my own to use for the theme. I could have just printed it out on my sticker paper and had my Cricut cut it up easily for me, but I didn't want to take out my Cricut, and because I wanted to hand make it, I decided why not just cut everything by hand. So I spent all night cutting everything by hand. This envelope was inspired by watching a lot of Penpal letter videos. I really liked how people were making a cute theme and sending them out to their pen pals. So I decided, what if I did a theme of what my friends like and something for their birthdays? Since my friend's mom's birthday was coming up first, the theme was Animal Crossing because I know she loves playing Animal Crossing. Her favorite color was yellow and white, and I was told she likes sunflowers and daisies. I know a lot of Penpal videos have really good calligraphy handwriting, but I'm sorry to say that I'm not those people. As an ADHD person, my handwriting is not consistent and I wasn't going to attempt writing it. So I took a shortcut and I used a Canva handwriting font to write and print it out. But I can say I did cut around the name like they do in Penpal videos. Then I went over the name with my marker pen. I wanted to add a little bit of highlight to the name as well, so I used a white Jelly Roll pen. I wasn't too sure how I was going to place everything out yet. I just placed certain cutouts where I thought I would like it to go before cutting everything out by hand. Once I had a general idea where I wanted everything laid out, I used Elmer's glue to put some on my notepad I had made in the last video since I did a test rip. I used a paintbrush to glue the rip corner down like so. This would be how I glue everything down. This is everything all glued down. I really love how my first ever Penpal inspired envelope looked. I always wanted to send snail mail but wasn't sure where or how to begin. I was also thinking about just sending random people online happy mail for their birthday with a birthday card. Let me know if you would like to see a series on that. I might just do some here and there because this is fun. But I will be doing 2 more of these for my 2 friends' birthday this year, but one will be all the way in October, which is still a ways to go. Anyways, I just went back over the name to make it darker and pop out more, but my camera dies and so it cuts off before I finish the last letters. This is all my scraps from hand cutting. My hand did hurt when I was done. Definitely should just buy sticker paper and have my Cricut cut it out faster and easier. It's the next day and this is the final results for the handmade hand-cut envelope for her. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if I should make more series like this. I hope to see you in the next one when I make the birthday card, or you can go and watch the notepad making one if you haven't already.